Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Today I am going to make a slow-mo video on my Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 you can record highest 720p 120fps slow-mo video. So guys, start the video. By the way, you also edit the slow-mo video on your Redmi Note 9. Redmi Note 9 Gcam and full camera review coming very soon, so please subscribe right now. Okay, this is all about Redmi Note 9 slow-mo video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.